drawstation plus.
안녕하세요, drawstation army. I purple you. We have gone all K-pop-a-doodle-doo. Today's superstar idol, singer, songwriter and actor is the South Korean-born Tim Tae-hong, globally known as V. V was born on December the 30th, 1995, and is one of the 7 vocalists from the South Korean boy band Bangtan Sonyeondan, a Korean expression meaning Bulletproof Boy Scouts, or BTS for short. They are also known as Beyond the Scene. They were originally discovered in 2010 and released their first album, Too Cool for School, in 2013. Most recently, BTS topped a Guinness World Record for most viewed concert live stream in a virtual concert that was viewed by over 700,000 fans globally. Our drawing is done. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.